Okay, we are now going to pour iron 2 sulfate solution into acidified potassium permanganate, which is purple. Let's see what happens. Oh, it turns colorless. But this one is not, it's actually supposed not to be green, but it's going to be slightly yellow. Let's see whether it's slightly yellow or not. Oh, it's still not yellow. Oh, okay, still not yellow enough. But it decolorizes, right? Huh? It decolorizes. So there you are. Good. Okay. I want to show you some other things.